All about to thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching today's episode number 8. It's coming through, it's starting. You're gonna learn a lot, guys. Before we start with today's episode, right? Don't forget, for this episode, I have 2,000 rands e-wallet on the table. So in order to qualify, all you gotta do is ensure that you watch the entire episode. Let me make something clear. Screenshots that are sent before when the episode starts and during the episodes and what they do not apply. Take a screenshot. Maybe you can take 3 times, that's fine. Not more than 5 times. Don't send 6,000 screenshots, guys. Come on. We're not going to go through that. We only need about 3 or 4 at max. You take a screenshot at the beginning of the episode, at the middle, at the end, and then send to our WhatsApp number to show that you are watching. So many people what clever screenshot and then send on WhatsApp and then never come back. Then what's the use of me paying you for watching while you did not even watch? We get clever. So to my loyal supporters, those who are gonna stay throughout the episode, follow the instructions. 2,000 e-wallet on the table for 1 lucky winner. Previous winner got 3,000. The winner before got 2.5, I think. So yeah, support DJ Coach, and DJ Coach is gonna take care of you. DJ Coach is gonna support you. I'm gonna put the number on your screen right now. If the number does not work, if one day it's one tick, it's not going through, WhatsApp might have banned us because you all are texting like robots. So if that's the case, check out my social media platforms. They're there on my channel, YouTube channel. Check out for the new updated WhatsApp number in case the one that you're seeing on the screen no longer works. And ensure that you're in the WhatsApp channel in order to be up to date when it comes to FBK and all other FBK products, right? Otherwise, the episode is starting in a few. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Take screenshots, send to our WhatsApp number to stand a chance to win 2,000 e-wallet. The only DJ in the country who pays you for watching. Danko. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What up, guys? Your boy DJ Coach, aka Mr. FBK. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Right, so it's a lovely day. So my brother and business partner Vincent says he has a surprise for me. So I wonder what he has in store for me. He said I must just come to the mall. So I'm driving to the mall now. It's like, let me just stop and do seatbelt because this thing off. Yeah. So yeah, he said I must come to the mall. So I'm going to the mall now. I'm driving the Ranger. And yeah, I don't know what he has for me. It's almost 4:30 now. It's 4:08, and I have to trade Nasdaq. So mang driver kanje because it's gonna take me 20 minutes to get to the mall. So and as ngizwenza njani because I have to analyze, yabo. So I don't know if I'll trade. So I'm left with 36,000. You all know the story. I've shared everything with you guys. You can now come back and lie and say, where does this come from? You saw everything. When I make money, you've seen it. On episode 4, I lost so much money. And people say it's not real. And I'm like, guys, it's okay to be poor, right? But don't be poor even mentally, please. Uncle, yeah, so I was going off the gate. So as I was saying, it's okay to be poor, but don't be poor mentally, guys. It's pretty annoying. Just because you and your father have never seen 100,000, 200,000, 500, 700, 900, doesn't mean that we haven't seen it. Every day my life is all about those amounts. Also, if you grew up poor, or actually if you are still poor even now, it's not my fault. I'm telling you now, it's not my fault. I'm not the reason why you are poor. So your poverty frustrations, ne? I'm all about inspiring those who want to make it in life. If your poverty state is too depressing for you, I find another way to heal yourself. But this is not the place for you. Because there's nothing else wrong because YouTube mo. Marlan silkish can tell Sandra it's about because with the way I'm living my life right now, there's always someone who's super inspired and be like, one day I'm gonna make it. One day I'm gonna be like this guy. One day I'm gonna do my own things. That's what my life is all about. It helps me sleep at night. Listen, having money in my account, I can have 500,000, 1 million, you name it, doesn't make me sleep at night. But knowing that someone looks up to me and they are inspired to change their life because of what they've seen from me, what I've done for myself, that makes me happy. It makes me sleep at night, knowing that I slept. It makes me sleep. Because when they say money can't buy everything, it definitely can't buy peace, eh? There's no peace when you have money. There's no peace when you are famous. You see, I'm going to the mall. Even if I don't want to see people, I have no choice. They're gonna say, "Hey, coach, can I please have a picture?" I must smile, even if I've blown 500,000. My fans don't care. They still see me as an inspiration, and I must smile. I can't give them attitude. I have to smile, So it's hard, as it is being the person that I am. So the least I would want to worry about is witches. So please, if I always ask you nicely, if you don't like me, get off my stuff, please. Block me actually, block me, just block me. I only want people who like me and look up to me. Hola. You see what I was saying? I'm angry these guys are happy to see me. So I can't be angry at them. Yeah, so I'm here at the mall. Where's the boy? He's driving the Aston Martin. So let me call him. Emon, hape ke mo entranceng ke jiga ka sekele. So ke tsana ka mogare. Ke roto.
Khano o tsebe fendi gore ka Emon.
A o nkushishi mkhotsi. Ke ra re ke a paka ke a fologa ka maoto.
Bona sekeleng ya fase na mella godimo man.
Oh, sorry. I can get no rain, son. Come on.
I'll do it and be over time on the eatery.
Kaite, I'm Gatan. Now begging on no Emily Ubamo. Oh, so when you think you are better, and I got to drive Aston Martin, you don't want to stand the little pool.
I'll get some bed.
Start. Yeah, okay, sharp caroto. Oh, okay, so we'll be able to print the number plates there.
No, not number plate.
Oh, yeah, all right.
Yeah, so but yeah. uzawutshela number plate.
Sorry. Okay, sharp. So Ferrari number plate.
Ferrari va sanche rishi testing.
Oh, road. Ferrari hloka roadway ne. Gore kgone. No, it's fine. Totally here. Okay.
Tier E3 man, Roto. Come up.
Okay. Sharp one.
Sa sharp because I'll think I'll challenge.
Emon ke wena ga tso stata baby. Yeah, so I'm here. The boys in Zashu. So I'm just gonna park next to him. Hey, sharp. Hey, Kiraru na no sharp man. Yeah, so I'm here, guys. One surprise, you know. Sharp. Kira sa sawa ka. So bang kiri bet mo po sana ka. Mutar kira ako kita pa na sa. Ano ko? Oh, awal. Kira mo big sa. Saan ko to ka mo to kita mo? Oh. Parrish. Kaya ka surprise.
Like that.
Ito ka bunyag ko wala.
There's nothing fun.
Oh, hindi siya kaya man.
The only thing when you do it to yourself, when you are doing it.
One thing for sure, you're not buying me anything.
Right?
Because I'm not challenge. Nothing ever call you for trouble. Talaga mo. Ano po? Ikaw, una droga uy. Yeah, so ako, urusisi na surprise.
This guy is really good. So I wanted to him like the same time have fun.
So Rojam welcome to. Oh, it's no. Pero kita mga mo. Sabar takwan, lagay ko. Kaya mo tong dami siya. Ano.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.
Tenno karberi jamara. Aye, la gauya tapola tennis.